in this section we will see the architecture of IoT. The architecture of IoT is usually considered to be three layers, that is the perception layer, network layer and application layer. But some add two more layers, that is the middleware layer and the business layer. We can see in the diagram. So the 5-layer architecture which is described in the particular figure. The first is the perception layer. It is the lowest layer in the IoT architecture, and as its name suggests, its purpose is to perceive the data from environment. All the data collection and data sensing part is done on this layer. Sensors, barcodes, labels, RFID tags, GPS camera lie in this layer. Identifying object and gathering data is the main purpose of this layer. Network layer collects the data perceived by the perception layer. Then comes the network layer, which is for the data transmission. This perception layer was for data gathering. So network layer is like the network and transport layer of OSI model. It collects the data from lower layer and sends to the internet. Network layer may only include the gateway having one interface connected to the sensor network and another to the internet. In some scenarios, it may include the network management center or information processing. That's why it is basically having the data transmission role. Then comes the middleware. So the middleware layer receives the data from network layer. Its purpose is service management, or we can say the process information and storage of data. It also performs information processing and takes a decision automatically based on the results. It then passes the output to the next application layer. Application layer performs the final presentation of data. Application layer receives the information from the middleware layer and provides the global management of application, presenting the information based on the information that is processed by the middleware layer. Depending upon the type of devices and the purpose in the perception layer, on the way they have been processed by the middleware layer according to the need of the user. Then comes the application layer, which is used for the smart applications. It presents the data in the form of smart city, smart home, smart transportation, vehicle tracking, smart farming, smart health and other kinds of application. Then comes the business layer, that is the system management. It is all about making money from the service being provided. That's why its main role is system management. Data received at the application layer is molded into a meaningful service, and then further services are created from those existing services. Furthermore, the information is processed to make it knowledge, and means of uses make it wisdom. IoT works on the basis of machine to machine, but not limited to it. M2M refers to the communication between two machines without human intervention. In IoT, even non-connected entities can become part of IoT with a data communicating device like a barcode, RFID or anything. So this was the architecture of IoT. The architecture of IoT having the 7 layers that we have seen in detail. So we can see the 7 layers of IoT model. This is another way of learning the IoT model that we will see in our next section. Thank you.